Need to create a YouTube video without any editing skills or equipment? Want to get the job done real quick? If the answer to these two questions is yes and yes, we've got you. We're going to demo a video generator that'll blow your mind. This video is super short, and by the time it's finished, we'll have a fully formed YouTube video ready to publish. With Invideo, you can turn a single short prompt into a fully edited faceless YouTube video in a matter of minutes. Too good to be true? You've got to see it to believe it. Go to the Invideo homepage, sign up with Google or create an account. No credit cards required to get started, and the free version allows you to make 10 minutes of videos and 4 exports per week. There's also a Plus option that currently costs $20 a month, which allows you to make 50 minutes of video a month, 100 gig of storage, and unlimited export. To generate a video, there's 2 options. You can simply type in your prompt, or you can select Workflow, which has options like YouTube Shorts, Explainer, and Script to Video. We'll choose YouTube Explainer, and we'll add how long the video should be. Let's say 3 minutes. In the first box, we'll enter our topic, how to make a YouTube video. And in the next box, we're going to add some creative directions, like tone and content. A short, engaging piece about making a YouTube video. Make it informational, but funny. One thing you should do is add a personal touch or a cultural reference, something that's related to the video. Be as creative as you want, and this will make the video seem less generic. Add a young man in his 30s to the piece and give him glasses and a beard. You could also type in camera angles, scene instructions, type of video footage if you wanted to. We've also got the option to describe what kind of background music we want, like dark and haunting or upbeat and happy. We'll choose upbeat. Then there's voice settings, so select the gender and voice you prefer. We'll go with Clear American. So once you're happy with these settings, click Generate a Video and choose your target audience, the look and feel of the video, and the platform where you want to publish it later. Then click Continue. In a couple of minutes, you'll have your video. Here's what ours looks like.
Ever wondered how to make a YouTube video? It might seem complicated, but with a few key steps, anyone can do it. Welcome to the world of YouTube, a digital landscape teeming with creativity and opportunity.
At this point, you can either export the video or edit it. To change any of the footage, choose the scene and then click Edit Media. Type in your preferred option and choose from their massive library. Apply the change and hit the play button to see what your changes look like. And if you need to, you can edit the script to make it more personal. You've even got the option to change the voiceover if you wish. Just enter your preference in the command box. Change voiceover to British accent. Then hit the play button again.
Hello guys. Ever wondered how to make a YouTube video? It might seem complicated.
Another really cool tool is the Regenerate button. If you hit this, you can then choose to alter the look and feel, which will give you a whole different vibe. Check this out.
Over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. That's like flying to the moon and back 200 times.
Invideo is available on both App Store and Play Store, so you can make videos on the fly, on any device.